But yeah, this used to be that.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are at SMS checking out the 350Z. It has been painted. We got black paint on it as well. We got the interior done. We got Jafar. How you guys doing? And let's check it out, man. We're currently putting the car together. The guy started earlier today. BugZ is here, making sure he's got everything under control. How are you? Hi. Good. How's everything? Hey, buddy. How are you doing? This is the radiator for the back. Looking sick. Salah is over here hustling through life. What up, man? How are you liking it so far?
I'm loving it.
Yeah, we got this painted in black. It looks super clean. What I like is that you can't see it was all banged out of the sheet metal and everything is hiding all of that. The paint has done a wonderful job. We're getting the front lights on and the tops as well for that buggy look. And the front suspension is going on as we speak. Got the Wise Fab on one side. Second side is coming along nicely. The Wise Fab suspension is on the floor. We got the shocks in already with the springs. And hopefully we'll be ready to go. But right now, we need to go to Pro Racing and pick up a clutch and flywheel. Because they actually got a really good price on them. So we're going to use that and see how that goes. Over here, we got the LEDs. I don't know if I showed you this in a previous video. We got 2 of them. So nice little antennas, make sure that everyone sees this car, and yeah, looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Yeah.
You want to pick it up?
Yeah, no, we'll do that later on. We'll definitely check it out later on when we get more things on it. The wiring is going through the holes that were pre-drilled. So here you can see wires for the front lights picking up from here, so everything is clean, nothing's hanging out. Got the wiring also going through that all the way up there. And we also need to figure out what we want to do with the LEDs. We're just putting them out here for now. Gotta tuck them in nicely and get Manja to do his work his magic with the electronics. So are we gonna go to Pro Racing or not? How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you? Thank you very much.
Go get us a clutch so we can put the engine and transmission in.
Well, you're gonna go stand here and smoke cigarettes. You're coming with us.
I'm putting everything on.
We're going together. We're gonna go with a hoe.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the hoe. This is the clutch we're looking at. Something else we're gonna add, a bit more girth. The clutch air filter pipe. Damn, that sounds good, man. We're gonna get this stuff back into the shop, try to mount the engine today. Got the rear cross member ready to go, but first we need to paint the fuel tank and then mount the exhaust. So we still have a couple of more things before that goes on. We got the brake booster in as well, looking nice and small and sleek. Then we have these bad boys. Hard lines that are basically going to cool the engine and head into the radiator in the back. And the guys here have the fuel tank that I just painted, and I'm gonna put that on the car today and see what it looks like.
Doing a burnout. I'm genuinely doing a burnout. I can't have traction.
That's what 110 horsepower looks like.
All right, so I'm gonna check out. Casper is gonna stay here and he's gonna vlog the rest of this.
A few moments later. Hello. Right, so we just finished. We had a bit of a problem with one of the screws for the subframe. The guys obviously, they painted the car, they sprayed underneath. Maybe someone with the masking hasn't done the right little bit of coverage that should have been done. However, we fixed it. We used some breakaway, we put some air on it, and we got everything done and dusted and pretty much fixed. It works. There's no damage to it whatsoever. So we're actually gonna now, I'm gonna turn the camera here. So now we're just gonna basically put the subframe back in its original position. This was the culprit that was giving us a little bit of a problem. So yeah, this was the one that we fixed. Everyone else is okay. Because we did the spray underneath, we had maybe a little bit of overspray that came through here. And then yeah, either way, time for the rear to be mounted. Lower the body onto the rear subframe, similar to what we did here actually, where we planted the wheels on, just dropped the body, made it a little bit easier to work with. Wait. So we actually got everything in now. Suspension's up, engine is mounted, rear frame is mounted to the body. And then yeah, now we're gonna finish the suspension from the rear, just attach it to the body and attach it to the shell. So that's doing his live thing as per usual. And then front wheels are gonna go back on. So this is the one interesting thing that we found out. So the previous owner, you mind being on video? Yeah? So this is actually the previous owner of the Z, or one of the original owner of the Z. He was just showing me a picture of what this car used to look like. I was very faded, it's on Instagram. Actually give these guys a Saturday to follow. But yeah, this used to be that. Well, it is that. You know what I mean. So yeah, thank you for the information. He's upgraded himself now to something slightly different. Actually, we laughed about it. But the previous owner has kindly allowed us to see his whip. Which again, this is the previous owner of our little Kart. Where he's upped his game with the 350Z. And not only is it actually really good looking, it has another toy on top, which is a supercharger. Mr. Salah is going to take it for a drive.
Yalla, let's go.
I'm going to stand here in the background.
No, come.
No, where am I going to go?
On the other seat.
That sounds like it wants to really go. 3, 2, 1. Yo, this thing wants to go.
Ready? We'll go from first.
Okay. First. This thing. Obviously I can't show the speed, but we're abiding by the speed limit. I can't see your face, it's dark.
If you have a sports car you want us to review,
basically got everything in check, so now we're gonna put the engine in the car and actually mount it up, put the gearbox in, and we got a new clutch today, which you saw earlier, and we're gonna put that one in also, and then yeah, try and get this thing looking a little bit more like a car.
on the angle.
Tell me stop. Okay, go forward. Okay, minor update. The food's here, which is nice. And we are also now putting in the new flywheel that we purchased today, which is kind of good, at least it's fitting, which is kind of our concern. Well, I'm gonna flip you guys around.
Everything was brake cleaner now.
So yeah, as you can see, we just put in the new flywheel. That's our golden glow gearbox. And we have our clutch, pressure plate, we have everything intact. All new bits and bobs. All the pieces are coming together slowly. So we're gonna mount those two together and then directly back into there where it belongs.
So it's the same pitch as the engine, and then we take this one off. ارفع شوي.
Right. After fighting and feathering, the engine is finally gonna go back in.
Careful.
Your leg. Ron, your leg.
Your leg.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Go.
A few moments later.
Whew, right, it is currently nearly 1 a.m. but we've nearly done it. We've actually nearly assembled the car. Take a look. I mean, yeah, we're looking at it now and it just makes... I think we're all a bit taken back by actually what the reality of how the thing looks, but we're gonna try and give you guys a little bit of a party piece to end this vlog, which I happily took over from Osama just for the day. You'll see him back here tomorrow working his butt off till 1 a.m. That's for damn sure. Yeah, I'm tired. Really tired. Look at that, we even put this little party piece on. This looks super cool. The guys are all admiring. Ladies and gentlemen, we introduce to you BugZ.
BugZ D.
BugZ D. Alright, cool beans, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna sign off there from myself and Salah. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Exactly, to watch this beautiful thing raise up hell and smoke. I'll see you guys later. Take it easy.